Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we've got a special unboxing of something coming in from White Mountain Knives. And I happen to have a cool hank that was given to me that I'm super excited about. Buy what you like and like what you buy. There you go, man. Let's check this out together. Today I'm opening it up with my EMP EDC Nimble X Gen 3. Alright, what do we have here today? Oh, we got some peanuts. Oh, what is this? Riot Knives, okay. Something cool there. Oh, we got some cards. Some stickers for giveaways. That's super awesome. Oh, I like that one. Okay, we got a knife. Another knife. Alright, let's see what I have here. Some more stickers. Cool. Let's save these peanuts for shipping. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open one here first. But first, so this will be toward like giveaways, some cool stickers. Thank you so much to White Mountain Knives for these. I love putting these into the giveaways. Always love a wee deck of cards. These are cool. And then we have what appears to be a pouch of some kind. Oh, is this one of these that you put together and it's... I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know how this works. Do you put it together like... I'll have to look and see what this is. I have a feeling this is something you assemble. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it looks cool. So we will have to figure that out for a later time. I don't know what that is today. All right, today we're opening up a Vosteed knife here. This is the Vosteed, what do we got here? Raccoon. All right, so let's take a look at that. Haven't opened up a Vosteed in a while. Don't really get anything from them. I have to buy my own, and this one looked interesting, so I decided to go buy this. So that's the joys, you know, when you're not on the list of super favored, you go get the knives you want to check out. That's good and bad, right? All right, so this is the Raccoon, but this is white and kind of a gold, interesting looking little knife here. So dead nut centered. I like the bronze, kind of a PVD coated, got a deep pocket carry clip. It is reversible, relatively deep pocket. You do have a place for a lanyard. I like the G10, kind of off-white scales. Those feel pretty solid, actually. Looks like we've got some nice hardware all the way around. Okay. Thumb stud. Yeah, we're pretty dead nut centered. All right, let's flip it and see what happens. Okay. So drop point. 14C28N. All right, Vosteed. And I believe, yep, this is the top liner lock. So there you go. All right. Now it's a little sticky, but I don't know if that's because there's this coating on there. Sometimes that can be on the lock bar. Maybe we'll have to see if that breaks in. I like that coating on the blade. It's kind of cool. Kind of an interesting color, white and gold, like that. Do they have a name for this? What do they call this? Copper Dune blade. So Copper Dune, I guess. There we go. Pretty cool little blade. You can choke up on top. Nice. Pretty thin, nice pokey tip. I do like that top liner lock. I don't think I've checked one of these out yet. I don't remember checking out a Raccoon with a top liner lock. If I did, I don't remember. And if I did, there won't be a review. I just can't quite remember if I did or not. I know we've checked out a Raccoon before, and I thought it was a button lock Raccoon, maybe a frame lock or liner lock, but I don't remember a top liner lock. That's new. Pretty cool. I like it. Feels pretty solid. You got steel liners inside with the holes, so weight relief going on. There's the top liner lock as well. Now, the thing about liner lock is I can't open and close it with a liner lock, right? So there you go. So it's like a button lock too, right? But it's a liner lock. That's nice. Definitely dead nut centered in there. That's cool. Let's listen to the detent, how it clicks in. Nice clickety. Any detent lash? Nope. It's in there pretty good. Can we do a middle finger reverse flick? We can. Let's see. Can we do a left hand middle finger reverse flick? We can. Bonus flick. Bonus flick. I like that. I like that a lot. That's cool. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. I do like the way they've chamfered all this around. That's a nice touch. That's a nice. That's one of the few G10s that I felt like immediately out of the hand was comfortable. Like the simple ramp, recessed screws, plenty of room this time around. Oh, I like that. Do you see that? Sometimes this is too tight and too short, and it doesn't give you enough room. But that's really nice. That's really cool. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. All right, let's do a little zoom in on this. Take a look. Here, let me get my knife out of the way up here. All right, so here we have the Vosteed Raccoon. This is the top liner lock. You see Vosteed there, and that kind of an interesting bronze sort of look at Cerakote, I guess, or PVD. Then you've got that finish on the pivot. It is a captive pivot. There's the button, the top liner lock button. You've got the G10 scales. We do have this insert for where the clip is, so you can reverse it. You've got 2 screws there. There you can see the liner lock right in there with the button. Right? And then you can see the 2 standoffs in the back. The little one, I guess, is going to be for lanyard. You can tie it off up there. Let's see, how close does that blade get to that? And not too bad. If you tie it to that one, it should be pretty clear. Okay, so that, and then let's look at the back here. Here's a clip with a captive pivot. You see the recessed screws. Nice, that's inset into the scale. And you do see it going through the liner inside there. All right, and there's the other blade, 14C28. Almost a full flat grind, not quite, but it does stop right before the tip, which is enough to give you your hand on there. I like the thumb studs. Thumb studs are nice and tiered going up, so comfortable when you use them. That's really cool. Then we look in here, and we see the engagement. Looks like the engagement's going to be probably around 50%. And then you can see the liner lock right there. You see that? You push in. See that? That's how it works right there. So it go like that. And we flip it open. Nice. Very cool. Let's take a look at this blade right here like this. I like that. Let's look at this way over here. Very cool. Yeah, it's surprisingly very comfortable. No hot spots all the way around. I love all of that. No hot spots here. No even sharp edge is really a nice touch for sure. Let's see, how sharp is that edge? Can it shave? It can. Could it get sharper? Probably. I'm sure it could. Very cool. And we've got a stop pin here, and then we have the close pin right there. So we have a stop and a close pin. Very cool. I like that. Thumb studs work well. And here's the bonus flick right there. All right, you got to get in there. Make sure your finger's in there and get behind it. Likewise here, get down low and behind it and then flip it. Worried too much about showing you, but there you go. Thumb studs work really well though. You can't open that. Of course, you can also do like a button. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Still dead nut center. No play. No pivot lash. No, okay. Probably, depending on this, you could probably put it on cage bearings or something like that, but that's really nice. I like that a lot. This will probably be a giveaway knife, but I wanted to check something, and I wanted some different color. I thought this was different. It's a nice different splash. White with bronze. I thought, why not? That's kind of that's pretty cool looking. Don't know what this reminds me of, the theme. Almost reminds me, I don't know, Obi-Wan Kenobi or something? I don't know. I'm not sure what it reminds me of, but it's cool. You can choke up though. That works really nice. There's jimping here. It does lock you in. It's not a whole lot of jimping, but it's there for sure. And let's see here, if you need to do a push cut or maybe a pull cut, you're going through leather, anything heavy like that. So there you go. Yeah, the action's good. And then left-handed works really well, especially because it's, is that liner lock. So that's nice. And the middle finger reverse flick works really well. And of course you can do the slow roll. So there you go. My first cut. I've been really trying careful not to do that. Brand new top. Dang it. All right. Very, very comfortable. I like that. I like that a lot. Really, really cool little knife. Very impressed. Yeah. comfortable. So I have large hands with big meaty fingers, and you can see I have a little room here, maybe for extra large hands, but once I choke up, extra large, double extra large, even 3 extra large hands would definitely be able to get in there. So that's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's pretty spectacular. Very, very cool little knife here. Do like this. Vosteed's kind of knocking it out. As far as this one's concerned, I really do like it. So that is a Raccoon top, Raccoon 14C28N, copper dune blade with white G10 handle, and that is the Vosteed Raccoon. So top liner lock. All right, very cool. Let me know what y'all think. Do you have one of these? What do you think about it? It's a pretty cool knife, huh? I like it. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content. It's part of the live stream. I sure do appreciate you guys. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you. You do 2 amazing things. You encourage me. I do this part-time, so thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support of this channel, you allow me to do quite a few things sooner than I thought I could. For instance, I can do a once-a-week budget banger giveaway. Really wouldn't be able to cover that if it wasn't for you guys. I do buy most of the things for the giveaway, so I appreciate that. But you allow me to use the other funds to be able to ship back knives on pass rounds, be able to pay for different subscriptions I have to post-process videos, and other things. So I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. As a result of those 2 things, I want to do something nice for my channel members exclusively for you. One, I'd like to give all brand new channel members a channel sticker and a thank you note. So basically, if you're currently a member, you've never asked to receive a channel sticker, most of the time it's new channel members, but it could be someone who was a member and became a member, or someone who's been a member all along. But email me your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway, and that's above the weekly budget banger giveaway. So in 1 month, there'll be a week where there's 2 giveaways. And members, you're eligible for both of them, right? You're not excluded from one or the other. And the members giveaway usually is a little nicer than a budget banger. Try to make sure it's something cool that you would like to win as a gift, or win as a prize, or give as a gift, right? So I want to make sure it's something you enjoy. It's my small way to say thank you. If any of that sounds interesting, appealing, or like you're really interested, there is a link down below in the description for how to become a channel member. I have 3 different tiers: basic, medium, and high. Please, if you don't want to be a member, please don't do it. Don't do it. Only do it if you really want to be a member. And if you choose to be a member, thank you. I'm humble, I'm grateful, I'm blown away. I want you to know there's also other things. You get exclusive emojis, exclusive content, 1 year, 2 year anniversary, exclusive little gift things, all sorts of stuff that I try to make sure you guys know how much I appreciate you. So thank you. All right. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know. But also, don't forget to check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs. Try to center that. At Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.